I would wish the Mallikarjunan team, the Metro team whole together, the path they took in last 10 years, I would wish them to cross that in next 10 months. That's progress. It's not just the financial progress I would expect. In every aspect, whether doubling the client, whether satisfaction from the customer, all of it, I would expect the things to go in next 10 months for the path they followed in 10 years, because there has been a hard work, there has been a dedication, there has been like uphill, downhill, everything that went in. It's not just a simple story what you guys have seen. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ 10 years growth ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ growth 10 years. But what I have personally experienced is a person who fought his way for this success for today is what I feel. And I'm sure everybody of you have contributed to his success. It's not like one man cannot conquer the world. He needs his team, his army, his soldiers to be there. And I'm just happy that he got a best team around here, contributing in every success. And I have seen most of you guys from the childhood, like at least few of them here. I have seen the way they were, I have seen what they went through and what they are today. It's a transition that has come all the way. So I would expect it would scale up in a great way in coming days, because you guys were like instrumental all these days. I'm sure for the future also, for your clients, for the growth of the organization, you would definitely give the best out of you. Definitely there will be some differences with the management, differences with the boss, with the colleagues, but that should not hamper the growth of an organization just because you feel like you are left out or you are being carried extra. So it's the same thing that has to follow across is what I feel. I would definitely wish all the best from my heart, because you have been together with me too, right, in all the aspects of my life. Whether it's just not buying the plot, it's human touch, I would say, because that's where we differ from the other guys. So thank you, all the best.
We hardly met to converse because he was getting residential, I was getting commercial. So this morning when I was very proud of what he has done. You know, for a person to come from outside state, okay, come and reach where he's reached today, and as well as giving people jobs and giving them responsibility and reaching the pinnacle what he is today is hats off to you, actually. And one more thing is that I think he's got a very good team with him. Firstly, his wife was being very supportive to him, who started this project together with him, and then of course his brother-in-laws, both Shivu and Suri, and all of you all. I think all of you all have to take a pat on your back, because today Metro is what? Because of you all. Okay, he must have started the project, he has started everything, but it's all of you who have held Metro together. And I wish all the very best and hope for the next 10 years. Maybe we'll have our own building here standing, each floor got one speciality. This is my success to all of you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
ಸೊ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಈ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 years ಮುಂಚೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 years ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಟಿ ನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಲೇಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದಿನ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರೇನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಟೀ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಹಳ್ಳ ದಿಣ್ಣೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವೇನು ಇದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಟೈಮು ಏನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಕ್ಕ ದಿನನೇ ನೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆದರು. ಸೂರಿ ಬಂದ, ಮೌನೇಶ ಬಂದ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್, ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ನೀವುಗಳೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಜೋಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ನಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರ. 5 years ಆಯ್ತು, 3 years ಆಯ್ತು ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೆಮ್ಮರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ನೀವೇನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಟು ಅಸ್.